Chief Minister and Birena Fongdok Pawafam Nihaiba audio clip ama viral oikibaga loinana Union Territory na demand hen na kansil hanba oina Ngashi Kuki-Zo Singna Namna Khundaba district singda rally Chatkhre Maru oina Churachandpur amasung Kangpokpi district ta Kuki-Zo Singi miyamna saruk yaduna rally Chatkhi adum oinamak Ukhrul Tamenglong Ziribang Chandel amasung Tengnopal district singda de rally asige mami thoina takhide hairi Ngasigi rally aduda saruk yakiba miyamna Save Kuki-Zo from Manipur amasung prosecute Chief Minister and Birent Haiba Kholau Singh Lauki Churachandpur district ta students body Churachandpur na sinduna Laisyang playground da peace ground fawba rally Chatkhe amarom da district aduda laiba lamka public ground da su joint student body na sinduna tonganba demand singa loinana wakat mi fam ki YPA General Headquarter gi hold da su Tribal Unity Day amasung Tribal Martyrs Day gi thoram sing pangthokhi Kangpokpi district ki oinasu district headquarter amasung Kaithil Manbi military colony dasu Kuki student organization Sadar Hills na TSA GSO amasung Zilia students Sadar Hills against ethnic cleansing of Kuki-Zo and demand for separate administration na sinduna amade Kuki-Zo gi miyamna saruk yaduna rally chatkhi ngasigi rally aduda pamdaba thodok sing thoktanaba security force ki maikaidagi mikup nahom sing na senakhi amaromda tangkhul katamnaw saklong kyamna nagagi tonganba students organization amasung loop singa nagagi area da Kuki-Zo Singna rally chatpa yaroi haina athingba thamki lenga ki maikaidagi su rally asi hakchina lawi Maram aduna pamdaba thodok sing thoktanaba Home Department gi maikaidagi cheksin thorang lokhatnaba mari lainaba district administration singda khanghan kibasu leirkhrabani
to protest against the leaked audio of the Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren, where he spoke, you can say, implicating him and his involvement in the ethnic cleansing of the minority group. That speaks, the leaked audio speaks volume of the state-sponsored atrocity, a systematic, institutionalized ethnic cleansing of the minority. Also, the significance of today, that is the Tribal Unity Day, goes back to 2015 to commemorate the death of the 9 youths, our fallen heroes, in the agitation against the 3 bills that also by the Manipur state government.